Most freelancers are out here manually answering the same client questions over and over, but Google just turned NotebookLM into something that can do that work for you while you sleep. This is not about organizing information. This is about building AI systems that deliver services your clients actually pay for. I am Paul James, and what I am about to show you is how NotebookLM went from being a note-taking tool to becoming something you can literally charge clients to access. This changes the game for anyone trying to build leverage without a team. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training that shows you how to turn AI tools like this into actual income. And no, I won't try and sell you go high level because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. Here is what breaks most service businesses. You land a client. You spend hours understanding their industry, their competitors, their specific problems. You do all that work. Then the project ends. That knowledge just disappears into old project folders. Next client in the same industry, you start over from scratch. Your expertise never compounds. You are basically trading time for money with zero leverage built in. The opportunity everyone misses is this. What if that knowledge you build for one client could become a sellable product for 10 more clients? What if the questions clients ask you could get answered automatically by an AI assistant you control? What if your expertise could be working for multiple people at the same time without you being on endless calls? That is exactly what Google unlocked with these NotebookLM updates. I call it the invisible expert system. You build the intelligence once, then you deploy it in ways that multiply your income without multiplying your hours. Here is where this gets interesting. Google now lets you connect NotebookLM directly into custom AI assistants called Gems. But here is the part nobody is talking about. When you build a gem and attach a notebook to it, that notebook stays hidden. The person using your gem has no idea what knowledge base is powering it. They just see an AI that knows exactly what they need. Think about what that means for building a service business. Say you work with dental practices helping them with patient communication. You create one NotebookLM notebook loaded with scripts for common patient scenarios, insurance questions, appointment policies, all of it. Then you build a gem with that notebook secretly embedded inside. Now you can sell access to that gem as a monthly service. Each dental office gets an AI receptionist that handles patient questions. They pay you monthly, you built it once. Most people never realize this part. That dental office cannot see what notebook you attached. They cannot reverse engineer your knowledge base. They cannot take it and use it without you. Your expertise stays yours while they get the benefit. This is leverage. Here's the twist almost nobody talks about. You can build hyper-specialized gems for micro niches and charge premium prices because nobody else is solving those specific problems. Maybe you create one for HVAC companies that handles quote requests, one for wedding photographers that pre-qualifies leads, one for personal trainers that answers nutrition questions. Each one is a separate income stream. Same process, different application. Now let me show you something that changes how you deliver client work. Google connected NotebookLM directly into regular Gemini conversations. That means you can pull notebook content into Gemini anytime you need to create something. But here is what makes this powerful for client deliverables. You can combine multiple notebooks at the same time inside one Gemini chat. Say you have a client who needs a marketing campaign. You have one notebook with all their brand guidelines and messaging, another notebook with competitor analysis, another with industry trends. You drop all three into Gemini and tell it to generate a complete campaign strategy. Gemini sees everything from all three notebooks simultaneously and creates something that references all of it. Stay with me, because this next piece is huge. You just turned three separate pieces of work into one cohesive deliverable in minutes instead of hours. That is not cutting corners. That is using tools strategically so you can take on more clients without burning out. Let me talk about the meeting notes angle, because this is where small agencies and consultants leave money on the table. You finish a client discovery call, you have notes everywhere. Random thoughts about their goals, pain points they mentioned, ideas you had during the conversation. That chaos usually stays chaos, but here's what you do instead. You drop those raw notes into NotebookLM. You tell it to organize everything into a structured format, maybe a table showing their goals, current problems, proposed solutions, timeline, and budget. NotebookLM restructures it instantly. Then you save that organized version as a new note and convert it into a source. Now here is where the money comes in. That structured source becomes your project blueprint. You use it to generate a proposal document. You use it to create a project roadmap. You use it to build onboarding materials. One messy conversation just became 4 billable deliverables because you organized it correctly from the start. I remember feeling like I was drowning in client work when I was first building my business. Every client felt like starting from zero. I did not have a system. I did not have leverage. Tools like this would have changed everything for me back then. Let me show you how creators and coaches can use this differently. You create content about a specific topic. Maybe it is email marketing for e-commerce brands. You load articles, videos, case studies, everything you know about that topic into NotebookLM. Then you build a gem with that notebook embedded as hidden knowledge. Now that gem becomes a lead magnet you offer for free. People interact with it, get value, and you capture their email when they sign up. But here is the brilliant part. That gem is answering questions using your expertise without you needing to be there. You are essentially cloning your knowledge and letting it qualify leads for you around the clock. For people building courses or coaching programs, this is how you scale one-to-many without expensive platforms. You build notebooks for each module of your course. Students get access to custom gems that have those notebooks embedded. They ask questions, the gem answers using your course material, and you are not spending hours in a Facebook group answering the same questions repeatedly. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to that free training on how to turn tools like this into real income. Now here is something most people completely ignore, but makes your outputs 10 times better. Before you create anything in NotebookLM, you need to configure the settings based on what you are trying to build. There is a customization menu where you set the tone, style, and response length. If you are creating client-facing materials, set it to professional mode with longer responses. If you are brainstorming internally, set it to conversational with shorter bursts. This sounds basic, but it completely changes the quality of what NotebookLM produces. Most people skip this step and wonder why everything feels generic. Let me walk you through a real example. Say you are building a proposal for a roofing company client. You have a notebook with their competitor pricing, service area details, and seasonal trends. Before you tell NotebookLM to create the proposal, you configure the chat to professional business writing with detailed responses. Now the proposal it generates matches the tone your client expects instead of sounding like a casual blog post. Here is something else that unlocks faster workflows. NotebookLM now has 2 research modes. Fast mode pulls surface level information quickly when you need speed. Deep mode goes way more thorough when you need comprehensive coverage. Both modes can search the web or dig through your Google Drive to pull content directly into notebooks. This is where everything clicks. Imagine you are pitching a service to a new prospect. You use deep research mode to pull everything publicly available about their company. Customer reviews, press mentions, competitor comparisons, industry reports. NotebookLM organizes all of it. Then you use that notebook in Gemini to create a customized pitch deck that references specific details about their business. You walk into that call sounding like you have been studying them for weeks when you actually spent 20 minutes using these tools correctly. Let me tell you about a freelancer I know who used this exact system. He does website copy for local service businesses. He built template notebooks for different industries. One for plumbers, one for electricians, one for landscapers. Each notebook has industry-specific pain points, common objections, proven messaging frameworks. When a new client comes in, he clones the relevant template notebook, customizes it with their specific details, then uses it in Gemini to generate homepage copy, service pages, about pages, everything. What used to take him 2 weeks now takes 2 days. Same quality, way faster turnaround. He doubled his client load without working more hours. Here is one last detail that separates people who get results from people who stay frustrated. When you are creating outputs like slide decks or reports from NotebookLM, do not dump every source you have into it at once. That dilutes the focus. Instead, work with 2 or 3 sources maximum for each output. If you need to reference more information, tell NotebookLM to consolidate your most important points into one combined source first. Then use that single consolidated source to create your deliverable. The quality jumps dramatically because NotebookLM is not trying to pull equally from 10 different places. Picture what your business looks like 30 days from now after you build this invisible expert system. You have custom AI assistants handling client questions. You have notebooks that turn messy calls into structured deliverables instantly. You have Gemini creating proposals and content using knowledge bases you built once. Your time stops getting consumed by repetitive work, and you finally have room to grow without needing to hire a team or buy expensive software. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to that free training that shows you how to turn AI tools into actual income. And again, I won't try and sell you go high level because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good.